Most people know who this is. This is Bryce Crawford, major Christian influencer, evangelical, spreading the gospel of Jesus. Well, he just said something about Judgment Day that I have never realized. Listen closely.
You ever heard that verse? It's in Revelation 21. It says, and God will wipe away every tear. You guys ever heard that? God will wipe away every tear. We're like, yeah, God's so good, man. Like, he'll wipe away every tear. Like 5 verses before that, he just threw every non-believer in hell. The reason why I believe he's lastly wiping away every tear is because every person that sincerely has faith in Jesus is going to watch every one of their friends, their family members, loved ones be cast into hell. And God's going to have to wipe away every tear. It's the last time we'll cry. Hell is real. One day every knee will bow. And we're going to stand before God. And the people in this life that chose not to put faith in Jesus, whether they thought he wasn't real, or they thought he was just a prophet, or they thought he was just a good teacher, and they're going to look at the most magnificent, glorious thing in their life and then be separated from it for an eternity. Gone in an instant.
Don't let that happen to your family. You can help prevent that.